I got a package from Amazon. Let's see what's inside. One, two, three. And you can guess what it is from this. Yeah, curtains. Finally got some curtains. Or new curtains at least. Probably got some in it, but not enough. It was as cheap as I could get. They were like £8 or something. Yeah, just grey ones really. Grey ones from Amazon, but their reviews are good and they look good quality. Obviously, hopefully they'll be going away soon. So we need some curtains. These are 30 by 30. The back of the van is 64 inches. The windows are about 30, as you see, and they're 32. Or a little under 30 now. Obviously we've got to put it in the top like that. But that is, yeah, pretty much perfect. Yeah, I got 10 meters of curtain wire, and because I got a lot of other. I didn't have some wire before, but it's all shaped for the Kangoo. So I thought I'd get a lot more. So I can do all this. So let's start doing it. Right, so got our cable here, if I can find the end. Where's the bloody thing over there? There it is. Right, now just need to do it pretty much from there to there, don't we? Some duct tape. Stick up that end for now. So we can cut it in the right place. Be about there, I think. There we go. It's better. Alright. Got one done. So basically all the screws I have are a lot thicker than the little hooks it comes with. Thread it through. Thread a little hook through. There we go. So that's hooked onto there now. Seems to be nice and strong. Right, you ready? Finally managed to do it. Get one bloody curtain wire done. Put it through. Obviously the wire is too short. The curtain, which is good. We want a bit of overhang. Is that's right. Could do have been a little bit tighter, I think. Give that a shot. Yeah, looks alright. Can't see in it at all, which is brilliant. That's what we want. What we could do with those a little bar, curtain bar, whatever you want to call it. That just holds it back. I was thinking about it, but I don't think I need it. And you don't really, but then yeah. Drag it open. I made that one a bit tighter. Yeah, next one we want to do this. This thing here. You can get the whole way with that one. Okay, so this is what it looks like from the inside. Very cozy and warm. I like them. They're nice. Got to do this one now. So that this old one from the Kangoo I can reuse. I've already had that out. Obviously I want to put some, you know, string along it now, just to make it look a lot nicer. And to make it, you know, drawable. Now we can draw it. The front, go through the back. Look at that one there. This one's a bit of a stretch. Beautiful. That's much better. That's much better now. Yeah, definitely have to get some sort of bars or something. I don't know, something to hold them back. You know, and that can be open now, like that. It's a lot nicer. That's the bathroom one done. That's only going to be temporary because that will probably go blind at some point, maybe. Because the bathroom's got a long way before it's finished yet. But yeah, that's just in there temporarily now. Or it might be permanent, we'll see, but it's probably too damp. It'll be too damp in here, I reckon, for that. Yeah, I got this other black one out of the bathroom. Put one of those grey ones in the bathroom, of course, have you seen? But two black ones will be in the lounge area now. So this one will go over here onto this window. This one goes through to my bedroom. You'll be able to see these holes. Maybe I will lift that up actually a little bit more, just so you can't see the light. There we are. That's better. And that will just go back to there. Because I mean, don't get much window in there anyway. And then I'll just put this one in my room. A privacy curtain, you know. It's inside out, but it doesn't really matter. But yeah, I've run out of phone battery. There isn't much left, so I haven't filmed much. But yeah, that's that one done. The only two I need to do is that one there and that one there, which I can reuse these little grey ones. There we go. I'll just remove that one there and put it up there to the same level, and I made the wire extremely really tight, so it's right at the top. There is a tiny gap each side, annoyingly, but it's the best I could do. What I got. The last one to do is this one. So I've got one more curtain for, so it worked out perfect really. So what I'll do with this is I'll put a screw up there again. That black curtain over there does actually cover this gap, but this way we got, you know, two curtains, which is really private. We only really need to do this window, but obviously the curtain's way too big for that, so it doesn't really matter. We'll just do it the whole way. I think someone might be in the van with me. Herb! Hello, Herb! I was having a bit of investigation. And that's the last curtain. Perfect. Really tight again at the top. Yeah, that's pretty much perfect.